Okay, we're doing a Panama cruise and we're on the Viking Mars. And nice thing about the Viking Mars is they actually have a free self-service laundromat. So we're on the 6th floor and they have 4 machines on this floor. So this is how you use these machines. First, comes with soap. We're using washer 1. So we're gonna long press the soap dispenser. And that's gonna shoot soap into this particular washing machine that we're using. And we've already loaded the washing machine with our clothes. So it's just a matter of closing the machine, pressing the power button. Normal eco is fine. I normally do cold water. Speed is fine. Normal soil levels, and then just press the start button. And that says 43 minutes. You just heard it lock. And we'll come back in 43 minutes and put it in the dryer. I'll do another video of that. Okay, for the dryer portion. So load your clothes. Clean this lint filter. So when you close it, press the power button. Choose your cycle. Permanent press is fine, but the rest is good for me. And then just the start button. And there goes your dryer. And from my experience, they actually come out pretty clean and pretty dry. So that's how you use the washing machine and dryers at the Viking Mars. Thank you for watching.